Meet Steve. Steve is the operations manager for a major transportation company. Steve is responsible for several shipping operations across different terminals operating under multiple carrier names. And he has a team of recruiters for each operation he manages. When it comes to hiring drivers, Steve has to coordinate all recruiting efforts across the entire enterprise, starting with the appropriate applications and consent forms for each operation and job type. He also has to ensure that all incoming job applications get to the appropriate recruiters at the right locations. So that he can maximize the advertising budget for recruitment, Steve needs to be able to track where new driver applications are coming from. So he uses MyCDLapp.com to help him easily manage the chaos. MyCDLapp.com allows Steve to oversee the flow of driver applications and consent forms across multiple companies, locations, and recruiters. It gives him visibility over the entire recruiting process. With MyCDLapp.com, Steve was able to create a unique driver application profile for each of the carrier brands he oversees. Then, he assigned recruiters at each of his operations to manage the applicant flow for their respective operations. Steve uses the Categories feature in MyCDLapp.com to route incoming driver job applications and consent forms to specific terminals and recruiters. He also tracks where his applications are coming from so that he can get the most out of his advertising dollars. Steve assigns user permissions for each of his recruiters so that he can control what applications and forms each recruiter has access to, as well as what functions within the system his recruiters can access. With MyCDLapp.com, Steve has all of the tools he needs to easily manage applicant flow across his entire operation. Whether you are a small fleet with one location and no recruiters, or you manage a major trucking enterprise, MyCDLapp.com gives you the flexibility you need to accelerate your driver recruiting on a fixed budget. Sign up today or contact us to learn more.